It is an old story. There was a village named Sundarnagar. Most of the people there were farmers. All the men and women were very religious. They lived together in harmony and with great love. It is an old story. There was a village named Sundarnagar. Most of the people there were farmers. All the men and women were very religious. They lived together in harmony and with great love. They shared each other's joys and sorrows. Once Lakshmi came to earth, she called the people of Sundarnagar and introduced herself and said, I am Lakshmi. I have come to give blessing to the residents of this place according to their wishes. However, wants to ask for something among you can come and ask me. I will come to the Lakshmi temple on the evening of the full moon. Everyone gather there. The sons of the farmers who used to toil hard to grow crops were very happy to hear such a simple solution from Lakshmi ji, and they eagerly started waiting for the day when they would receive the bone. Mother Earth became upset seeing the youth enthusiasm and passion for work waning. She called all the farmers' sons and explained to them with great affection and said, Sons, do not fall into the trap of getting free money. Keep working hard because without labor a man gets nothing. Keep working. I will not let you face any kind of shortage. No one paid heed to the advice of Mother Earth. Everyone was eager to get as much wealth as possible by getting the boon of Lakshmi without any trouble. So they did not stop on the decided day, time and place. All the villagers gathered in front of the Lakshmi temple. Lakshmi ji came and started fulfilling the wishes of everyone who asked. Everyone asked for wealth. However, asked for whatever got that much. People's houses were filled with heaps of gold, silver and diamonds. Lakshmi returned to heaven after fulfilling people's wishes. People were overjoyed to get immense wealth, but wealth without hard work makes a person useless. It does not bear fruit for long. People started using the free money liberally and started using it for many bad works and got trapped in many bad works, and they started living a luxurious life. Their strength got weakened since there was no dearth of money. They had given up farming long ago. Now they sold all the cattle tied at their door, cows, buffaloes and bulls. Everyone had lost interest in their business. How long would the stored food grains last? The warehouses started getting empty. Inflation started rising. Within a few days, the situation became such that the prices of things reached their peak. After this, a time came when it became difficult to get food items even after spending money. People had wealth, but no one was getting food. Due to lack of food, the villagers started dying of hunger. Within no time, most of the villagers became weak and powerless due to hunger and thirst and fell prey to many diseases and started dying. One day, Mother Earth visited her area, which was always green. She became sad seeing the dry bushes there. Her eyes filled with tears, thinking about how happily and peacefully people here used to live. Only a handful of people were left in the village with a small population. The village had become like a crematorium. Seeing this scene, Mother Earth started cursing. Lakshmi, the sad Mother Earth, challenged her sons once again and warned them, saying, "Sons, there is still time. Go, pick up your spade and go to the fields. True joy and happiness lies in the wealth earned by your own hard work, serving by eating roots and tubers from the forest for a few days. Good people would come again in some time." The call of Mother Earth opened the eyes of the farmers. They were now realizing that money earned without hard work does not bring happiness, peace, and prosperity. The next day, men and women went to their fields with spades and hoes in their hands.